created a wonderful flank angle. There is, of course, Smokin, who's the one who's on towards the onslaught to the team of KTM Rage, but eventually he has his teammates right around the corner to give him that cover fire as well. And now the conversation is going to be, will that be enough to bring in a conversation against the players of KTM Rage? And that is exactly what has happened, where indeed the teammates of Zero Death Smokin have been able to retaliate the push coming in from the side of KTM, and Lunatic has been brought down to his knees. Of course, he does have Kapil right next to him, who will be able to get that revival for the moment, but eventually it is going to be Kale and Sujan conversation as to what are they going to be doing to bring against this onslaught. As we clearly see, it is going to be Puete who is perfectly bringing on that onslaught to the players of KTM Rage, and the destruction that KTM Rage were expecting has not worked out in their favor. With that, it is KTM Rage looking not good, because they have once again gotten another player knocked, and that's going to be none other than Kapil. And now Lunatic has a lot of trouble for himself, as he's going to be burnt alive and brought down to his knees, thus resulting in just 2 players remaining for the side of KTM. And come on, this is Potai, who is absolutely in a destructive mode. One nade after the other, one Molotov as well doing the job, has been able to confirm that kill for himself. But again, Kale and Sujan, they are absolutely in no conversation to be able to retaliate against this onslaught from the side of Zero Death.
Definitely, and with Blood joining Zero Death from the backhand side, he was in a motion, and for the moment he has come in, and it means Smokin will be saved. With this, Playzone takes one more knock onto the player of Excel, as one player also goes down. But all these fights are happening into the southern side of circle, with Sujan spotting down Potai. He has also received a lot of damage onto its head. With this being said, we are heading towards a fight that is erupting, where both the teams have got a lot of detrimental damage onto their side. But one thing that Zero Death is made capable of and is successful about is that all the 4 players are again standing on their feet, with Glitchwayo taking Scarlet in its own hand and trying to bring down the player. Sujan Brinkley survives on that slither of an HP, just tried to dodge out the blades that was coming in from the sides of Glitchwayo, still surviving, but for how long, that is going to be the question, as Team Zero Death has completely pinned down the player, as the players from the sides of KTM don't have any sort of ridge advantage. All this they can do is to fall back from the situation, but how would they do so? That is going to be the question, and that question, it seems that is going to be answered with a lot of brute force, as Kali goes down, Playzone takes down PUBG Minions Maga group, and some players have already losing their health on this blues, and you need to pay respect to all these circles, all these things. But Potai at the moment is reigning supreme at this moment, as he is now trying to take down the fight in its own hand, its own way. With Kali going down, it is going to be Glitchwayo that will be taking care for sure, but Kapil goes down, and this brings down to the last player surviving from the sides of KTM Rage, and is completely far away from all the players, and Kapil will be bleeding his life off. And this is a fight that KTM was just not looking, not certainly the start that they have gone off to. In the last game also, it was a moment where they tried to make a push onto the players of Rogue Nation. They were being eliminated, and this time it was also a push, and that has been shut down. So push is something that is not working in their Pot's eye stands at the moment from the sides of Zero Death, as with this 3 kill, he's all